So I bought this iPhone 3GS from a friend for $100 with a broken screen. I thought it was a pretty good price. And I ordered the screen replacement off iPartsRepair.com. And I just use tools from around my house, but they do have a tool set kit that you can buy too. They're not paying me to advertise or anything like that, but they were very good, very fast, good customer service. So I just decided I was going to make a repair video. First, you're going to turn off your phone. After that, you're going to want to remove your SIM card. And the tray, keep it all out. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove the two small screws from the bottom of the phone next to the dock connector. Next, you take a suction cup, you put it at the base of the iPhone near the home button, and you gently pull up. So after a little bit of work, I finally got it to come off. Open it up slowly. There'll be three cables in here, labeled 1, 2, and 3. That's 1, 2, and then 3 is under 2. You just lift those up. 1 and 2 just pop up. And then 3, there's a little white tab, and you have to lift the white tab up, and it slides out. I'm sorry, it's a little black tab. And 3 just slides out. Set this to the side. Now there's 3 screws on each side. You're going to want to unscrew each of those, of the LCD. Right there, there, and there. One there, and then one up top of there. Now to remove the LCD, you have to pull away. There's 2 pieces of metal. One is the LCD, one is the outside case. You have to pull away the outside case and slide the LCD out. And there it goes. There's your LCD. My LCD is fine, it's just the digitizer that's broken. So be very careful with the LCD, but set it to the side also. Next, to remove the glass from the plastic panel. What you're going to want to do is you use a heat gun or a blow dryer. But you're going to want to heat all of the black parts, skipping over the home button, going pretty much evenly around all the black parts of the iPhone, but remember, skip over the home button or your home button can get warped. I'm going to put them in this bowl so they don't blow away from the blow dryer. There we go. Okay, so we had a mishap. I finished the video and the build, but I accidentally broke one of the ribbon cables. But I talked to the iParts repair people on the phone, and they were really nice. They actually sent me a whole new screen for free. So I'll be going over how to install that again. This will actually be my second time. You take this part, the plastic frame, and you take the adhesive strips and you're going to want to apply them. You're going to want to apply the sticky side. Now you peel off the top part. This can be kind of tricky, so just take your time. Now, you remove the piece of plastic across the bottom of here, which I already did, and then you remove the plastic across the top. Now this piece right here, you leave that on as to not get any fingerprints. Slide the screen under, or slide the ribbons under, slide the ribbons under and the screen on top. Position it correctly. And then press together. Firmly, but not too firmly, as you do not want to break any of the mechanical parts. Now, using a razor blade or something to pry, just peel off this back piece of glass. Or not the back piece of glass, excuse me, the piece of plastic. Comes right off. Now you place the LCD back in place. I'm just cleaning it off real fast with a cloth. And then screw the LCD back into place. Now the screen is successfully reassembled. What you're going to want to do is connect all the ribbon cables back in place, starting with the third one. That's the very bottom one. It does not click in place. It slides into place. You have to slide it in and lower the black flap. Next, you put the second one. Push down again, firmly into place. Careful, as this is the one I ripped before. And then push the one back into place. Now, before you close your phone up, turn it on and make sure the touch screen works. And there we go. Works like a charm. You can now close your phone back up, push it back into place. And then screw the bottom back in. And there you go.